Stretched across 200 square miles of Peru's Nazca Desert lies one of history's greatest enigmas. Massive, intricate geoglyphs that have defied explanation for centuries. Who created them, and why? Could these lines be a lost language or something far beyond our understanding? Some believe they are messages from ancient astronauts. Modern technology continues to probe these mysteries, yet answers remain elusive. Join us as we delve deeper into the enigma of the Nazca Lines. Over 300 geometric shapes, 70 animal figures, and thousands of perfectly straight lines, some stretching for miles, etched into the desert floor over 2,000 years ago by the Nazca people. But here's the mystery. These designs are only visible from the air. How did an ancient civilization without flight create something so vast and precise? Some experts believe the Nazca Lines were ritual paths walked upon as offerings to the gods above. Theories suggest these shapes may have been used in religious ceremonies, calling for rain in one of the driest places on Earth. But does that explain the eerie perfection of these figures? Some believe the lines were a way to communicate with deities, seeking their favor and guidance. Others propose that the lines align with celestial events, suggesting a deeper spiritual connection to the cosmos. Others argue these lines form an astronomical calendar, aligning with the solstices and constellations. Were the Nazca early scientists mapping the heavens with unparalleled precision, or does this theory still leave questions unanswered? Could these lines be a sophisticated tool for tracking celestial events? And then there's the most controversial idea, that the Nazca Lines were meant to be seen by beings not from this Earth. Some geoglyphs, like the so-called astronaut figure, resemble humanoid beings in helmets. Could this be proof that ancient civilizations were in contact with extraterrestrials? Experts have debated this for years, pointing to historical texts and artifacts that suggest alien encounters. Now we turn to you, the explorer of mysteries. Do the Nazca Lines hold spiritual significance? Were they an ancient observatory, or do they hint at a connection to something out of this world? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Participate in our poll and share your theories. One thing is certain, the Nazca Lines are a message from the past. Their true meaning remains elusive, shrouded in mystery. Are they ancient art, astronomical markers, or messages from extraterrestrials? Until we decode their meaning, they remain one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries. While mainstream theories often take the spotlight, there are several lesser-known hypotheses that offer intriguing possibilities. Some researchers propose that the Nazca Lines may be connected to other ancient civilizations. For instance, similarities have been drawn between the geometric patterns of the Nazca Lines and those found in the ancient city of Teotihuacan in Mexico. Could there be a shared knowledge or cultural exchange that spanned vast distances? Another compelling theory suggests that the lines might be linked to unexplained phenomena, such as ley lines, mysterious alignments of ancient sites that some believe channel Earth's energy. Could the Nazca Lines be a part of a global network of ancient sites designed to harness this energy? To delve deeper, we turn to Dr. Maria Sanchez, an archaeologist who has spent years studying the Nazca Lines. Expert clip. The possibility of a connection between the Nazca Lines and other ancient civilizations is fascinating. While evidence is still circumstantial, the geometric similarities cannot be ignored. Further research may one day reveal a more interconnected ancient world than we currently understand. Whether these lesser-known theories hold water or not, they add yet another layer to the enigma of the Nazca Lines, reminding us that history often holds more questions than answers. One thing is certain, the Nazca Lines continue to captivate and mystify, inviting us to explore the depths of human ingenuity and the mysteries of our past. And now, back to our closing thoughts. While the origins of the Nazca Lines remain shrouded in mystery, their modern-day significance is undeniable. These ancient geoglyphs have become a cornerstone of cultural heritage for the Nazca people and a focal point for ongoing research and tourism. The breathtaking aerial views of these enigmatic lines draw thousands of visitors each year, providing a vital boost to the local economy. Tourism not only brings financial benefits, but also raises global awareness about the importance of preserving these ancient artworks. To gain further insights, we spoke to Juan Perez, a local tour guide who has been sharing the wonders of the Nazca Lines with visitors for over a decade. Expert clip. The Nazca Lines are more than just ancient drawings. They are a testament to human creativity and resilience. Every visitor who comes here helps us protect and celebrate this incredible heritage. The impact of the Nazca Lines extends beyond tourism. They are a source of cultural pride and identity for the Nazca people. Festivals and educational programs centered around the lines serve to educate younger generations about their rich history. We also interviewed Dr. Elena Ramirez, a researcher dedicated to studying the Nazca Lines. Expert clip. Ongoing research is crucial. Each new discovery not only adds to our understanding of the Nazca Lines, but also helps in developing better conservation methods to ensure they survive for future generations. As we continue to explore and uncover the secrets of the Nazca Lines, their significance in the modern world only grows. These ancient geoglyphs are not just relics of the past, but living symbols of our shared human heritage. They remind us that this quest for knowledge and understanding is a journey that spans both time and space. And now let's wrap up with some closing thoughts. As we reach the end of our journey through the mysteries of the Nazca Lines, we invite you to take part in preserving this incredible heritage. Visiting the Nazca Lines is not just an adventure, it's a chance to connect with a piece of our shared human history. By experiencing these awe-inspiring geoglyphs firsthand, you contribute to their conservation and help support the local communities that cherish them. Every visit, every photograph, and every story shared helps keep the legacy of the Nazca Lines alive. These ancient artworks are fragile, yet they have endured for centuries, standing as a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. We urge you to join us in safeguarding these historical treasures. Whether through a visit, a donation, or simply spreading the word, your actions can make a difference. Remember, the preservation of historical sites like the Nazca Lines is crucial for future generations. These sites hold the keys to understanding our past and inspire us to build a better future. So let's come together to protect and celebrate our shared heritage. The Nazca Lines are not just lines in the desert. They are lines that connect us all. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you exploring the wonders of the Nazca Lines soon.